Hello and welcome to this session in which we're going to do some gentle yoga stretches that are going to help you unwind, relax, and have a good night's sleep. So when you're ready, meet me on the mat. We're going to begin in a seated position, so place your hands on your knees and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And out either through your nose or mouth. Again, breathe in. And as you exhale, drop your chin to your chest. Inhale, circle your head to one side. Feel a gentle stretch on the side of your neck. And as you exhale, circle your head to the other side. And continue like this at your own rhythm. Inhale, moving your head to one side. And then the other side. And try to use your exhales to relax as much as you can. Bring your head to center and lift your chin up. Turn to face one edge of the mat. Interlace your fingers and push your hands away from your chest. Widen your shoulder blades, hollow out the belly, and round your spine. Feel a stretch in your upper body. With an inhale, flip your palms and open the chest by reaching the arms up towards the sky and taking a small back bend. Again, exhale, push your hands forward. Then inhale, open the chest and reach your heart up towards the sky. Last time, exhale. And inhale. From here, straighten your spine and twist to the right. Release your hands and place the left hand on top of the right knee and the right hand goes behind. Take a deep inhale. And exhale. Inhale, reach the right arm up towards the left, feeling a nice stretch on the right side of your body. Release and come to center. Inhale, lift the arms up. And as you exhale, twist to the left. Place the right hand on top of the left knee and the left hand goes behind. You can close your eyes if you want and focus on your breath. Inhale, reach the left arm up towards the right, feeling a stretch on the left side of your torso. Release and return to center. Place your hands behind and open your legs in a 90-degree angle. From here, rock your legs from side to side like a windshield wiper. This is going to open up your hips and relax your hip muscles. Bring the sole of your feet together and away from your hip. So your legs are gonna look like pretty much in a diamond shape. Place your arms on your chins, round your spine, and let your head relax. Extend your legs in front of you and keep a small bend in the knees. Palms are facing up. Again, round your spine and let your head drop. This is going to activate your parasympathetic nervous system, which is going to help you relax even more. Bring your torso up, bend your knees, place your hands behind your hamstrings and roll all the way down to your back. Extend the right leg, place the right ankle on top of the left thigh, and you have the option to stay here if you want, or the other option is to interlace your fingers behind the left hamstring and push your legs to your chest. Release your hands and let your legs drop towards the left for a spinal twist. Inhale, bring your legs to center and release. And let's switch sides. Extend the left leg, place the left ankle on top of the right thigh. And again, you have the option to stay here, or you can interlace your fingers behind the right hamstring. As you exhale, push your legs towards your chest and try to push the left knee forward. Release the hands and drop the legs to the right for a spinal twist. Bring your legs to center and release. You can either extend your legs into Shavasana, or you can bring the sole of your feet together for a reclined butterfly. If you choose butterfly, then the farther your feet are away from your hip, then the more gentle the stretch is going to be in your inner thighs. It is up to you. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath, flowing effortlessly in and out. And allow yourself to fully surrender into this moment of deep relaxation. Thank you for joining me in this class. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and follow for more. Namaste.